Why? Why did you try to set up my girlfriend?
I don't know how the money gets.
Stop telling lies. Stop telling lies. You better come clean and say the truth.
So this is you. As you collected this money now, what's your game? To scatter the engagement.
Yes, I did it. I wanted to scatter everything. Yes, I was the one that planted that money. I took it from his own pocket and put it inside your bag. But I don't know how it got back into my bag. Every time, your man, look at this fine man.
You are stupid.
He even want to marry you.
Can you listen to yourself?
Imagine the kind of friend you have. Imagine the kind of friend you have.
Every time you will not allow me to rest. My man gave me this. My man gave me the. My man did. Are you the only girl in this
because
world?
Of this, your stupid
Are you the only girl in this world?
You can't keep a man with this attitude.
It's the same way she will not allow me to rest. Every time, happiness this, happiness that, happiness this. Imagine what you have done to the same friend who is always defending you and looking out for you.